young brave volunteer who has a waterproof watch. Ada, come. Okay. He's smiling. He's happy. He don't know what he got himself into. Okay. But pick up your watch. Yeah, right. Good. What is your name? Oliver, where are you from? Ladies and gentlemen, we have Oliver all the way from Singapore! Okay, Oliver, need to ask you a question. Can you swim? Say yes. Okay, good. Now this is what's going to happen. Oliver, I need you to throw your watch into the pool. We're going to get Pumbaa to retrieve your watch. But, if Pumbaa cannot retrieve your watch, you have to go in and retrieve the watch. Because just now you say you can swim. Can you swim? Say yes. Yes. Okay, good. Number two. If Pumbaa gets to retrieve your watch, you can only come back tomorrow to take your watch. You know why? Because when he retrieves the watch goes in here. Tomorrow, come out here. And it's gonna be smelly, maybe not even black color. Oliver, I was just joking. Smile. You're gonna use my watch. Okay, take this watch. Okay, turn around. Okay, Pumbaa, close your eyes. Okay, yes. Okay, turn around back. Take your watch. Ladies and gentlemen, Oliver.